Hello everyone, it is Guns Galore making another video, just me today, and I just want to say sorry that I haven't made a video in probably, I don't know, I think almost a month, maybe, but I have a video now. I just made this pistol really quick last night, and I'm going to show it to you. But before I do that, at the end of this video, I am going to show you what I've been working on for so long. Alright. Camera situated. Alright. So, I just made this 6-shooter Colt revolver, short barrel. It's nothing too special. Really, it's nothing. This doesn't come out. This does though. Yeah, that does. I just Sharpied it black. Sorry, I think I'm coming on with something. Someone just had to get me sick. Sight right there. I'm pretty proud of the front sight, to be honest. The barrel, regular just 2-inch barrel, 6.5 inches all the way across. I think it came out really nice. This cartridge, or yeah, I guess that's called a cartridge. It's just really big for the gun. It should be like only like right there. Yeah, I kinda messed up on that bit. And that's really about it. Nothing too fancy. Alright, so but you're done looking at that, and that just slipped. I guess see what I'm doing. Alright, so now I'm going to be showing you what I've been working on for probably 2 weeks. Probably only like a week and a half. This is a scar I was talking about. And I added a couple cool things. Charging handle works. No rubber band in there. It's all fancy. Front flip up sight. And I guess I did it one-handed. It just goes back and forth really easily. So I have that little pouch right there. Oh, that's really hard. And I just put it through a little opening right there. And it stays. Really nifty. I also have red dot. Oh, let's get that out there. Red dot. Pretty nice. And like always, rail system. And now we have our normal iron sight. Come on. There. Oops. And where'd that go? There it is. There. See? Real nice iron sights. I do think I could have done better with the back sight, but you know, I somewhat rushed it a little. And this alone is probably like a half a pound, because I added, I think, like 4 batteries maybe, just in the back, and 3 here, and then 1 here, something like that. It's all in the bottom. And you have a rail system all the way around. I'm proud with the barrel, to be honest. Yeah, it's pretty weird looking being paper, but I think I did really good. This is just paper and it's super sturdy, but it is a lot of paper. Like, I'm pressing down on it as hard as I can and it's not going in. And that's really about it, guys. Same comparison, it's pretty small. I don't know. I think I'm pretty proud of this, actually. Yeah, it's my second revolver. The first one, it looked pretty okay, to be honest, but this is more detailed and a lot better looking. And that's about it, guys. So, hope you like this video. I have been thinking about making that MP5 tutorial. I don't know when that's gonna happen. Probably after I get this scar done. But, you know, you never know. I also want to get into something like selling online. I think we're going to run that through our Facebook page or something like that. And you just send us money. It's not going to be a lot either, like, I don't know, $2 for a little gun. No, maybe more than that. I don't know the prices. We'll figure it out. But I am thinking about selling our creations online, because the main people who we just make these for are just our regular group of kids. So that's about it. Comment, like, and subscribe. And please subscribe, because once we reach 8 subscribers, I'm going to for sure make that MP5 tutorial. So, guns galore. See you later.